Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a video with a single text prompt. We're gonna be using this AI called InVideo, and this is gonna be their main landing page, or basically this is gonna be their website. So to continue with this one, before we get started, I just wanna let you know that if you're watching this on your iOS or MacBook, please stay in the video because the process is literally the same, even though I'm using a Windows running PC right here. So let's get started. Just click this button and then it will ask you to join via an account. I've just used my Gmail, and then with this one I'll be directing you on this landing page. After creating an account and logging in, this is gonna be your editing platform. To get started, please focus on this text box. Basically, let's just call it a prompt box because we're gonna use a prompt, right? Anyway, with this one, this is gonna be the entering prompts, and as you can see right there, there is a select workflow on the top right section. You'll have 4 options. Before they were 3, but now they are 4. So the first one is YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer, Recent Events Video, and Script to Video. So I'm going to show you an example later on because basically they're just the same. And I'm going to show you the difference at the end of the video. So please stay at the end of the video, okay? So let's get started. I'm just going to enter here a very specific prompt. For example, create a short video about the 7 wonders of the world. Now, as you notice right there, I've placed the short word right there because the key here is that make the prompt as accurate as you can. So you'll get that quality and information that you can on this video that you're trying to create. And then after typing, just simply generate video. And as you can see, I didn't do anything. I just import the sentence. I just use the text to create the video, and as you can see right there, analysis complete, thinking, and it will take around 30 seconds to 2 minutes for this to finish. But before we're gonna arrive with there, it's gonna ask us a sample question. I think there were 3, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. These are the questions, or rather filter, that I was talking about. As you can see right there, this is the title, Wonders Unveiled, the Magnificent 7. The audience, look and feel, platform are the questions I'll filter here. So for audience, you can choose for this 3. I'm just gonna use travel enthusiast. Look and feel, I'm gonna go for inspiring and platform. So this is gonna be by your own preference. You don't need to copy everything I do here. So that was also the thing I forgot. So everything I do here is just teaching you guys the ropes. I'm teaching you guys the basics. The quality here and the content will be also by your own preference. Please take note about that one. So let's just get with here and simply click continue. And before clicking on continue, you'll see this edit prompt. So if you want to edit your prompt earlier, you can still edit here. But I'm satisfied with that one. I'm just gonna click continue. And then I'll just gonna wait for this video to finish. This might take a few minutes. And as you can see, it's still 5%. I'll get back to you once it's done. So welcome back. The video has just finished generating, and as you can see right there, this is gonna be the title. It's a 3-minute and 27-second video, and as you can see also, there is a watermark. This can be removed at the end of the video. I'm gonna show you to you how to do this. But for now, let's play for it. I'm just full screen and play. It's taking quite a long time to play. I think it doesn't play on full screen, but
pondered about the grandeur of human ingenuity. Today, we dive into the marvels that have defined ages, cultures, and civilizations. We're journeying through time, exploring the 7 wonders of the world. First,
as you can see right there, we're currently in Egypt. Let me just pause and advance a little bit to show you the statue of Zeus over here. So basically, we've just created a short video regarding the 7 wonders of the world. And with this one, if you're satisfied with it, you can simply click on generate and you're good to go. Now, if you want to edit a little bit more, you'll see this option that says edit, and let's click it right now. Once clicking, this option will pop up. You'll have 2 options out there. This one, you'll have edit media for the first one and edit script for the second one. Now, I want to focus first on edit script because I want to edit the first title we have. So this is going to be the first text that we have earlier. Let's try doing it right now. Trying editing it. Let's say, welcome to the video. This is about the 7 wonders of the world. Easy as that. So I'm gonna be direct with this one and simply click on apply changes if I'm satisfied with the thing I've made. So with applying changes, it will take around a few minutes to establish. As you can see right there, that script is being changed. So I'll get back to you once it's done. So welcome back. The video has just finished generating. So let's try it out and listen to it.
Welcome to the video. This is about the 7 wonders of the world.
As you've heard right there, the thing or the prompt we input earlier has just been reflected at the very first intro. So that's how you edit script using this edit button. Now let's focus on editing the media now. Because we're already done with script, let's move on to media. So you'll have two choices here. You can either rearrange this stock over here, or rather you can choose a stock image on their platform. For example, let's just search Garden of Babylon. Let's just search it out right there. Click on enter. And you'll see the stock clips over here. Now make sure you're highlighted on the block or the slide, let's just call them slides, that you want to change. For example, I want to change the first one. And I'm going to choose this specific block. Let's just click on it. And as you can see, it overlaps on the first one. And I'm going to apply the changes as of now. And this will take another few minutes, so I don't want to take much of your time. I'm just going to get back to you once it's done. So welcome back. The video has just finished generating, and let's try it out.
Welcome to the video. This is about the 7 wonders of the world.
As you can see right there, the first one is the pyramid, right? Now it's not a pyramid, it's just a snail and the grass or leaves, what you call it. Anyway, that's how you edit media using the stock image they have on this platform. Now another way for you to do this is again, go to edit. Make sure you're in media. Now let's choose this one again. So another way for you to upload stock images is gonna be by your own media, by this button right here. So simply click on it, and then this option will pop up. So let's try this one right here. Let's just look for a sample stock image. So this one, another bunny for you guys. So if you're satisfied with this, make sure you highlighted the one slide you want to change and simply click on replace, and of course apply changes. And this will take around another few minutes. I'll get back to you once it's done. So let's try it out right now. The video has just finished generating. Let's play it.
First, we travel back to ancient times, to the Great Pyramid of Giza.
And as you can see, there's the bunny that we just tried out, and that's how you change media using your own clips. Now let's try this one right here, because as you can see, there is a command prompt over here that you can enter text. So for example, there is a presetted template. For example, over here, make this scene half as long, it's too worthy. Or you can change the current stock to a video to shot or a forest. Again, guys, with this one, just want to highlight that it's okay to copy my prompts, but again, this is gonna be by your own preference. You don't have to copy me all the way. You can try your own very own prompts over there. But for now, I'm just gonna type in this voiceover prompts. For example, I want to change the voiceover to older British voice. Let's try it out. Click on generate. Now, as you can see, I didn't look for a voiceover. I did not use my own voice. I just type in that specific prompt and wait for the magic to happen, and I'll get back to you once it's done. So let's try it out right now. Let's play it.
Welcome to the video. This is about the 7 wonders of the world.
As you've heard right there, the voiceover right now is a very British old male, right? It's very fun to do this. It's very simple. So let's try another prompt. Let's just say, make the music more epic. Now, I'm not sure this will work because I don't have a background music from earlier, or it's really low. But for now, let's try it out. And this is gonna be another few minutes for you, and I'll just get back to you once it's done. So welcome back. Just finished generating its own epic music, so let's try it out. Click on play right there. And actually, it's not playing as of now. I think there's a lot of users that has been using it right now, so it's a bit lagging, but I assure you there is a new music right there. And I'm gonna explain to you why it's lagging right now. So apparently a lot of users using, and we're just using a free version. So if you want to be prioritized and have that best quality of editing platform right here, we're gonna use this upgrade button and check the pricings at the end of the video. But for now, I'm gonna show you one more thing. on how to get this or how to download this right now. So if we're satisfied, if we're good to go with this video, we can simply download it with this button that says export. So please make sure you're seeing this one. Click export, click on export video right there. And this is the one that I'm talking about. So you can choose from 48 pixels to 4K. And this is the watermarks or stock watermarks. But for this one, you'll see this crown logo, much like as the Canva logo. This is for paid subscription. You can use this no watermark and high quality. And of course, this branding if you have a paid version. And another one, you'll be prioritized on using this platform. But since we're using the free version as of now, we can only do watermarks and normal over here. And we're not prioritized since the epic video or music epic earlier isn't working. Anyway, click on continue. And it will download on our computer in a few seconds now. So this is gonna be the download platform. So it's rendering 16% as of now. Now while rendering, I'm gonna get back to you once it's done downloading, okay? So welcome back. Our video has just finished rendering and we can download it as of now. So before downloading, I want to show you guys the music earlier. Let's try listening to it.
Welcome to the video. This is about the 7 wonders of the world.
And as you can see, we just heard it out. It's pretty perfect, right? Now simply click on download button right there to simply download the video on our PC. And that being said, you'll see this option that's downloading. There's no payment because we're using the free version. And now that being said, I want to show you this option. If you click these 3 lines on the left side, click on home, you'll able to see these videos we've made. So this is the one we've made earlier, and this is the one that I've made 16 hours ago. So if I click on this one, I can simply download it once more. The video I made from yesterday, I can simply download it again, and perfectly, it will be downloaded on my PC. Easy as that. And that being said, as promised, I have another or last thing to let you know, the workflow. So we're gonna go back here and then click on home. So we're gonna create an AI video again and click on workflow. So I'm gonna choose YouTube Shorts because this is the very popular choose right now. And basically, you saw the difference, right? Once I click on YouTube Shorts, it's just not gonna ask for a simple prompt. It will ask for a specific filter already right there. So let's just say create a short video about the 7 wonders of the world. Basically just do that and choose the audience, a male, a clear American voice, use outline. No, I'm just gonna use outline. And of course, I'm gonna use iStack normally. Easy as that. So if you want to use others, of course, I'm not stopping you. This is by your own preference again. So click on continue. Click on generate video. Now this will take around a few minutes before the questions from earlier will pop up again. I'll get back to you once it's here. So these are the questions or filters again. So I'm just gonna stay as travel enthusiasts, epic, or rather inspiring. Of course, I'm gonna choose YouTube Shorts. So again, you can choose edit prompt here, but I'm satisfied with this one. Click on continue. And this will take around 2 minutes again. I'm gonna get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. Our YouTube short has just been finished regenerating. And actually right now, we're still having that bug. A lot of people are using it, so we cannot really play it, but I'm just gonna drag it down so you guys can see it. Basically, it's a YouTube short regarding the 7 wonders of the world. Now again, we can edit it as we did from earlier. It doesn't mean that it's a YouTube short and the other one is a video. We cannot edit this one. So everything we did from earlier are applicable with this. So for example, I want to edit the voice. I'm just gonna use change voiceover to a female voice. Easy as that. However, I cannot really show you because we're having a bug, but I'm still gonna click on generate if I'm satisfied with this one. Click on generate right there, and it will take around a few minutes for this to finish. I'll get back to you once it's done. So welcome back. That voiceover has just been finished generating. As you can see right there, there is a plus sign icon, rather a check sign. Let's try it out. It will work right now. So unfortunately, still not working, still having that bug issue. But I assure you, the voiceover has been changed. Also, you can still edit here to change the media. For example, you want to change specific story blocks over here. Again, you can upload media over here. Click on media, but make sure you're highlighting the specific slide you want to change. For example, I can simply click on replace here, click on replace over there. I can still search up stock media over here. Let's just try it out. Apple, for example, and then make sure everything we did earlier is the same as here. There's no difference, there isn't any special treatment from earlier. Basically, everything is the same. So again, I'm gonna replace this one, replace that one. So there isn't really any differences on regarding editing here. So I'm gonna apply changes here, and then simply generate it later on. So after applying that one, this will take another few minutes, and I'll get back to you once it's done, okay? So welcome back. The video has just finished generating, and these are the new images that we have. So this is gonna be a bunny, that's another bunny, and that's an apple that we did earlier. So anyway, if you're satisfied with this one, again, click on export to download it. So before I end this video, I want to show you this. Back to the website here to show you the pricing, because this is just a little bit different. For example, free is 0 per month, of course, plus is only $20. But I suggest if you really love that platform earlier, go for the plus one, since we're gonna be prioritized, or you're gonna be prioritized regarding the platform, so you don't experience that bug we have experienced earlier. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.